Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line annotation down there is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. A very nice follow-through day on the bulls part. So yeah, let's get some levels of support updated. I'm going to go ahead and use this green line up a little bit closer just because, sure, this line down there still pertains, but it's not really relevant right now given the price is way up there. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 008. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 008, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But as far as this move right here is concerned, ever since it bottomed out down around 005, yeah, if the price can stay above 008, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. In the event the price does not hold above that level, the next key level of support to keep an eye on would be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So again, as far as levels of support are concerned, near-term ideal one, 008. Next level of support after that, the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So for this, going to scrunch up the charter just a bit. And the next key overall level that has quite a bit of history is up there at 0.0105. In fact, not once, but actually on two separate occasions, both there and there, the bulls have tried to get up above there and not been able to quite do it. So there's apparently, for whatever reason, there's some sellers that are hanging around up around that area. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But at the end of the day, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter because they do, but they really don't matter because if the price continues to do what it's been doing, aka build these higher bases, then as long as you have higher bases that continue to be forming over time, and if you picture those as stair steps, the stair steps will just take care of the rest of the chart, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.